Are you ready?
Ready.
All right, let's go. Kevin here, top 1 financial advisor and best-selling author. We are here to talk about the stock market. Today, we need to talk about Lucid Group. And when you talk about it, because it's up close to 80% in just a week. So in this video, we need to describe what is going on with Lucid, why are they up, and is this something that we should put on our radar? Could it be the next Tesla? Could it be the next Apple, Amazon, Google, and everything that we want it to be, or that anybody who invests in it wants it to be? So first, again, it's up close to 80% in the last week. Why though? Why is this company up? It's because of a rumor. Not fact, at least not yet anyway, just a rumor. The rumor is that the Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia, which is basically a giant portfolio for this country, and they buy up a lot of things from time to time, but the rumor is that they are going to buy out shares of Lucid, meaning it's going to be all theirs. Rumor also has it that they own a good chunk of the company, more than 50% is what I came across. Again, these are rumors. Now, rumors can move the stock market. Okay, I don't know if y'all remember, but back in 2020, early 2020 in fact, there was a rumor that Amazon was going to buy AMC. That didn't happen. It's been 3 years now and it has not occurred. And on paper, it made sense, right? Imagine you got your Amazon Prime, you're watching all your Amazon shows, including streaming NFL on Thursdays, and you just walk to the theater and just have that whole seamless process or what have you. Didn't happen. AMC still spiked. I'm pretty sure it was a similar percentage, but it's not something that came through. Not something that actually occurred. Also, another rumor that I found out was not true, but somebody in the comments said that this same fund also bought WWE. I went through and didn't see any official source that had occurred. To me, it sounds like WWE is still out there for sale and it's just floating around. So you have to be very careful about what is fact and what is fiction. But even though this could be fiction, it's still up significantly. Here's what you need to know as an investor, okay? Number one, they broke. Okay, they're not making money as you see here. Their losses quarter over quarter have gotten worse in recent months, and this is going to be a chain reaction. It's not something, if you have been watching and subscribing, this is your opportunity to do so. If you have not, but if you have been doing that, then you know what's about to happen next, right? If you are losing $600, $700, $800 million a quarter, you're going to have to borrow money. If you have to borrow money, you have to pay an interest rate. If you have to pay an interest rate, those rates have gotten higher, which makes those bills more expensive. That's the problem that Lucid is running into, as well as Mullen Automotive and almost any company that really isn't making money at this point in time. So that is the thing that you need to know. They don't have money. This spike is only because of a rumor, and should this be found out not to be true, then I would expect the company to return back to where it was, which is down about 59% over the last year. That's what's happened, and that's the thing you have to pay attention to. Just because a company has taken off in a short time, whether it's a month or a week, doesn't necessarily mean that it has outweighed the rest of the year or the company's existence for that matter. So please be careful. Rumors move the market all the time, but this is exactly what we talk about when I talk about penny stocks, and the danger of penny stocks is because that when you are buying a stock that is less than $5, someone could come up with a rumor or an idea and buy really cheap and get everybody else to believe it and really manipulate the stock and then sell before everybody finds out that it's not the case. It's one of the reasons why Lucid was down close to 10% in just a single day. Now we will see whether this is true or not. I'm pretty sure everybody is going to get a notification if it is true. However, right now it is just a rumor. So you have to be careful about rumors. I'm not really confident right now that this is going to be, you know, the next Tesla or the next anything. I'm looking at right now, between now and the end of the year, is this going to work? I'm not entirely sure. They've been around since 2007. It's been a while. Okay, it's been a while. I've seen Rivians, or Rivian, however you want to pronounce it. I've seen those out here, right? And that's not to say that Rivian is automatically better than Lucid, but I've seen them, right? Now, I'm somebody who watches car videos on YouTube every now and then, and the product looks amazing, right? It's one of the fastest cars in the world once it gets out there into production. One of the Lucid Air models, I think it's the second one. Aside from that, the car looks amazing from what I've seen. Haven't seen it on the road yet, but they need to start pushing these things into production and actually producing cars and selling stuff. And right now, they don't seem to be as good at doing that right now. So for me, and my money, No, I'm not investing in it. I don't know if it's going to be the next Tesla. I'm not confident in saying that until I start to see some real traction. Again, I'm not advocating for Revvion per se, but we have seen traction, right? We saw the contract with Amazon. You can look outside your door, depending on where you are, and see one or two sporadically, right? So I could see how that could take off and be something. But until I start to see narrowing losses, which is not what we're seeing, this one is a no for me, especially in this environment, the environment of higher interest rates and paying more for the money that you're borrowing. So be very careful about stocks like this. So I just had to put that out there because I know anytime these company takes off like this, it usually trends, right? It usually trends on YouTube and Reddit and all these other places. People get in, people get burned every single time. So you want to be very careful and know why a company is taking off. Is it legitimate or is it just a rumor like this one is? All right, that is it for me today. Make sure that you join the members only. We do exclusive videos each and every week, deep dive breakdowns into companies and Q&A. It's only $2 a month, so, you know, definitely worth it. All right, that is it for me. I'll talk to you later.